Welcome to the annual vacation bid. In this short demo, you'll learn how to create ballots and bids in AVBA for your annual vacation bid. To get started, log into Crew Portal. From the Crew Portal homepage, click on the Monthly Bids tab and then click Vacation. This brings you to the Vacation Management homepage. Click on the Annual tab at the top left. A drop-down list of options will appear which allow you to navigate to the different pages within the AVBA system. Click Summary to be taken to the Annual Vacation Bid homepage. From here, we will review the Annual Vacation Matrix and how to create a vacation ballot. To view or print the vacation matrix for your base, click on the button labeled Annual Vacation Matrix on the AVBA summary screen. This brings you to the Vacation Matrix screen where you can display, print, or save the matrix in a PDF format. Select the desired fiscal year and base and click the button labeled Get Matrix. This displays the matrix you requested. The months are split in half, therefore use the blue arrows on the right to see totals for the remainder of each month. If you'd like to save or print the matrix, click the button Export as PDF at the bottom of the page. To return to the AVBA summary page, click the button labeled Return to Summary at the top of the page. Once you've viewed or printed the annual matrix, you can begin to create a primary vacation bid. From the AVBA summary page, click the Add View Ballot button at the bottom. This will direct you to the Bidding Ballots page. Click Add Ballot to begin building your primary vacation bid. A ballot box will appear with two options: Add Bid to Ballot or Delete Ballot. Click on Add Bid to Ballot to start your bid. A box will appear with 5 available fields to make selections in. The first field is the bid type, which has a drop-down with 2 available options: date range or filler days. By selecting date range, you are initiating a bid for vacation dates. This is the main type of bid you will create. Click inside the Start Date field and a mini calendar will appear, allowing you to select a start date from the calendar. If you prefer, you can simply type in the date using the format displayed. Next, click on the End Date field and another calendar will appear, allowing you to select an end date. If you prefer, you can simply type in the date using the format displayed. The order in which you put the dates in tells the system how to award your vacation block. In the Max Days field, type in the maximum number of vacation days you'd like to be awarded during the selected date range. In the Min Days field, type in the minimum number of vacation days you'd like to be awarded for this string of vacation dates. Repeat these steps to create additional ballots and bids. The first ballot gives you the option to input an AAID number for a buddy bidder. If you are thinking of buddy bidding for vacation, there are some very important guidelines to remember. It is recommended that you thoroughly read the vacation guide for all buddy bidding information and call the fabric if you have any questions. If the buddy bid is not entered correctly, it will not go through and may affect the seniority in which your bids are awarded. To create a bid for filler days, click the Add Bid to Ballot button and then select filler days from the bid type drop-down list. Upon doing so, the Start Date, End Date, and Min Days field will become inactive. During the annual bid, you do not bid for the days you want your filler days to occur. Instead, you're only bidding for how many days, if any, you'd like to designate as filler days. In the Max Days field, select the number of days you'd like and select Add to Ballot. In AVBA, you can edit your bids, reorder and delete your bids and ballots. You can easily make these changes as long as the bidding window is open. From the Bidding Ballots page, you must expand the details of the ballot before you can edit bids. Click the down arrow next to the ballot. To edit the bid, click the pencil icon in the appropriate row. You can change the order in which the AVBA system will process your ballots and bids. This is important because the system looks at each ballot like a unit. AVBA attempts to award out of your first ballot by going through the bids in that ballot in priority order. If your primary bid isn't awarded, it will move on to your first alternate bid and then your second alternate bid, and so on. If you'd like to reorder your ballots and bids, click on a bid or ballot and drag it to the position you'd like. You can change the order of the ballots, or you can change the order of bids within a ballot, but you cannot move bids to a different ballot. To delete a ballot, simply identify the ballot you'd like to delete and click the Delete Ballot button. A pop-up window will appear. Verify the ballot number you are deleting is correct and click OK to continue. To cancel the request or return to the bidding ballots page, click Cancel. To delete a bid, click the down arrow next to the ballot which contains the bid you'd like to delete. The bids within a ballot will be displayed. Identify the bid in which you'd like to delete and click the circled X icon in the appropriate row. A warning message will pop up on the screen. Verify the bid number is correct. Bids are listed in order of importance, for example, primary, first alternate, second alternate, third alternate, and so on. Once you have completed all of your ballots and bids, it is recommended to save or print a copy of your bid. By doing so, you're backing yourself up in the event of an award challenge or discrepancy. If using a personal device, click the Export as PDF button to save a copy. Upon clicking the Export button, your internet browser will prompt you to save the document to a desired location. Do not use this function on crew room or public computers. If you prefer to print a hard copy, or you are using a company or public device, simply click the Print button. Make sure you save the report each time you make a change to your bid. The report will be time-stamped and will be the only recourse if there was an error with your bid. Always print or save a copy. If you are not awarded any or all of your vacation and you didn't bid in the primary vacation bid, you will need to participate in the secondary bid for any remaining vacation days. If you have carryover days, you will also need to bid in the secondary vacation bid. You may only bid for the remaining days available for your base. Create your secondary ballots and bids as described earlier in this tutorial. If you have any questions while bidding, please reference the vacation guide for more detailed information or call Fabric.